Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Sheets data. Then, example, I apply B column data, find data validations. Click here, add a rule, criteria, drop down from a range, and select your range. Click OK, or type manually. Allow multiple selections or not allow as you wish. See this advanced options. Then click OK. And now we can see this create a drop down list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.